take out them 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. And then drop that down. So there's the 3 bolts that have got to come out.
Oh, it's gonna be fun.
That's not gonna be fun, is it?
No. Hammer.
Bit more. Hold on, it's stuck just on the bottom there. It's just that little bit there. There you go.
Just move that out the way there.
Okay. Sweet. Passenger side out. Soggy. Oh man, just got the old one out. Absolutely fucked up. New one's going in now. Quick before all the oil falls out. Oh, it stinks, don't it?
Do you think that's bad? You should smell auto gearbox oil.
New one's in now. Literally just push it in as hard as you can until it sounds like it clicks. And then we'll bolt it back up to this now and we're done. This side. Didn't lose that much oil either, did we?
So I do this side of this one.
Not too much. Yeah. These back in, tighten them up. And that's this side done, isn't it?
Yep.
Sweet. Split there, and it's fucked. So we just dropped that out of the bottom, and then just pulled this away, and that's come out. So time to get that one out. Bolt 10 mils. Ooh. Easy enough. Where's the other one? Ah, okay. So there's 2 bolts on there and one that holds that in. Where's it gone? There it is. So that's the new one. And this is the old one, covered in shit.
Destroyed.
Split boot. Lovely. Is it out?
Yeah. All the way.
Hold on.
Get out. If I get out, I can move the hook. Oh yeah. There we go.
Yes. Right, so there's the old one. Like this. What is that? Look at this. Absolutely fucked. Split boot. That, like, look at that. And then this, stiff as anything. And look at the size difference. Like, nice girth on that one. So, I can chuck that one in now.
Mate, that's such a long distance. I can't believe that. Your box is so far away from this side. Mate, honestly,
Sorry, man.
Mate, if you were to get under my car, you'd be fucking amazed at how close the box is.
Really?
Literally, my long drive shaft's like half the length of that.
Is it?
And my short shaft's about the same length.
Right, do you want to pull that out of the way?
Yeah.
Okay. New one going in.
Slipping in the hole.
Ah, which side?
Go that side of it. Yeah, I'll... Bastard. Because it's thicker. Yeah. Please don't see if you can move that.
Yeah, go on, I can do this side now. Yep.
Right, now I'm trying to line up the hole in the box.
Okay. Yeah. Is that in?
Yep. Woo! Simple as that.
Yeah, boy. Right.
And we complained how hard this was going to be.
Oh mate, I'm buzzing with that. That's so easy.
Right. That's
Literally been doing it for about an
half
hour.
the time of the easy shaft.
Yeah. And you said this side was going to be the hardest.
Well, mate, when you look at it, you can't tell me it doesn't look like it's going to be the hard side.
And someone charged me £500 for shit shafts and labour.
It's taking it.
And the drive shaft back in. Wasn't in.
There we go.
She's
The new bolt's down there, isn't it?
Get it lubed up. And it.
Sad.
Oh.
I don't know how you managed to do this.
What?
Get drive shaft grease everywhere.
It's just the boots just explode, don't they?
I've never had it this bad. I've never had it this bad.
Oh,
Do you know what it is?
It was bad. When I
You know
first
what
did
is,
it,
right?
it was literally, you could just scrape it off as like a big,
It's because you probably did it mid-wheel spin by accident.
probably.
And then kept lamping it. You're like, yeah!
Yeah.
Oh,
Shaft's in.
this is sided, I think. Okay.
Right.
I was wondering why I couldn't line the holder. There's a specific way. There we go.
Right, sounds that's going back on, 210 mils back in. Right. Ball joint back in. And might have to get a hammer.
Can I line it up properly? These are horrible, these are.
Alright, need to just go this way a bit more. Bring the hub this way.
Towards you?
Yeah. And pull it out at the bottom. There you go.
In?
They're in.
Lovely.
I think.
Somewhere underneath you. There we go.
Now I taught these to 47 newton meters
Plus 90 degrees.
plus 90 degrees. Mechanics spec.
Mechanic spec.
The gearbox back up. This is one we need. Get it from Alfred's. It takes 2 litres, so I bought 3, but I'll give it a go. Right, just taking the airbox out. So we can get to the oil, gearbox oil filler easier. Yeah, that'll do.
I'm doing a big ass bomb. It's a nightmare to get to.
Like that to do.
Probably be easy taking the battery out if you've got time, but I don't. Sweet.
Can't really see, but it's going in.
Ooh.
Box is full, airbox is back in. Right, put the tray back on and we're done. Yeah. Well guys, that is the end of the video. So if it helped anyone, or if you can keep up, like just see what I'm doing kind of thing. It's not a tutorial, it's just me pissing about in my car, putting new drive shafts in with my mates. So big up AirTech for letting me use the ramp again. Big up Ethan for helping me out, because he is actually a mechanic and knows what he's on about, and I'm just a random kid who thinks he knows what he's on about, but I don't. If you enjoyed it, if you want to see more of me just repairing stuff, doing whatever, let me know. Subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you in the next one. So until then, safe.